Okay, let's take a look at how to determine number of moles given the amount in grams. I'm given two different compounds. I'm given 150 grams of aluminum chloride. Aluminum is a 3+ ion, chloride is a -1, which means I need 3 chlorines to balance the charge on the aluminum. And then I'm given 200 grams of sodium acetate. Sodium is a +1, acetate is a -1 ion, so I don't need to do anything to balance that charge. The first thing that you need to do anytime you're asked to convert from an amount in grams to an amount in moles, or vice versa, an amount in moles to grams, you have to figure out the molar mass of each compound. And just because we reviewed it in the previous slide, I'm not going to really show you exactly how to do the molar masses of these, but you should get approximately 133.34 grams per mole for aluminum chloride and 82.03 grams per mole of sodium acetate. Now, go ahead and work these out. Don't just take these numbers, do them yourself just so that you are comfortable with doing them, and you should be getting these numbers. Okay, what do these numbers tell me? This tells me, the molar mass tells me that 1 mole of aluminum chloride weighs 133.34 grams. What about 150 grams? How much does that weigh? Well, it's a little more than that, so it should weigh a little more than, or it should have more than 1 mole. So I use either this or 1 mole over 133.34 grams. Now, never start with the conversion factor, which is the molar mass. Always start with the amount that you're given. You're given 150 grams. So you want to choose the conversion factor that will get rid of the grams and leave you with the unit that you want, which is the moles. I want moles on top, I want grams to cancel, so this is the one that I need to use. 1 mole over 133.34 grams. My grams will cancel, and that will give me about 1.125 moles of aluminum chloride. Okay, as we said, this is a little more than 1 mole because 1 mole only weighs 133 grams and I have 150, so I have a little more than 1 mole. Let's take a look at this one here. So I have either this conversion factor or 1 mole over 82.03 grams. Once again, I want the grams to cancel, and I want to be left with moles. So this is the unit that I want, or the conversion factor. Multiply that. Once again, start with the amount you're given, not with a conversion factor. You want 1 mole on top and 82.03 grams at the bottom. Your grams will cancel, and you are left with 2.44 moles of sodium acetate. Okay, this is how we figure out the number of moles if we're given an amount in grams, and we figure out the molecular formula of the compound.